All-in-one products are designed to provide a balance of correction, finishing, and protection, all intended for a single-step application. They tackle moderate to light defects on your car's paint while leaving a glossy finish and laying down a protective layer. Professional-grade all-in-ones stand out in this category due to its cutting power, protection, and user-friendly application. They can be a game changer, especially for express detail packages. It's perfect for customers who want their cars to look better without investing in extensive correction work. With all-in-ones, you can deliver impressive results quickly and efficiently. But it's not just for the pros, DIY enthusiasts can also benefit, especially if they're dealing with minor imperfections. All-in-ones are ideal for daily drivers with light to moderate defects. These are cars that need a quick refresh to enhance their appearance and protection without a full-scale correction. It's also great for a lease return, for prepping a car for sale, and for consistent year-round car care. Some all-in-ones offer longer-term protection than others, making it perfect for maintaining your car's finish. So whether you're a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast, all-in-one products are definitely worth trying out. They're convenient solutions that deliver impressive results with minimal effort.